Hi, this is Justin Lawrence from Lawrence & Associates, and today we're going to talk about how you can keep your tax refund when you file a bankruptcy. A tax refund is treated like cash when you file a bankruptcy, so it can be seized by a Chapter 7 trustee, or a Chapter 13 trustee can use the tax refund as a reason to make you pay more into the bankruptcy than you would otherwise have to. It's important to protect it, but protecting it is more of an art than a science. So you need a skilled bankruptcy attorney to take a look at your situation and tell you how best to protect the tax refund. There are a few general ways that you can protect it. First, just like any other type of cash, you can use exemptions to protect the refund. The exemption that's most commonly used is the miscellaneous or wildcard exemption. If you're filing in Kentucky, you have the federal wildcard exemption, and the federal wildcard exemption is very high. It's over $20,000, so almost any tax refund can be protected inside that exemption. The exception to that rule is if you have a lot of other things that need to be exempted with the wildcard exemption, such as cash in a bank account. If all of them together add up to more than the exemption, then you still might have trouble protecting the tax refund. If you're filing in Ohio, they use a state wildcard exemption that is much, much smaller, and so much less of a tax refund can be protected with that exemption. If you do have part of a tax refund that is outside the exemption, the first thing you want to do is look and see what part of that refund is related to your child tax credits, as opposed to the remainder of the refund that is related to an overpayment of taxes during the year. The part of the refund that is an overpayment can be seized. The part that is the child tax credit may not be seized. Again, state rules apply, so it depends on what state you're filing in to know whether or not the child tax credit can be saved. Another way you can protect the tax refund is by using it to pay for necessary expenses, such as replacing a furnace in your home. If you do spend it on expenses, make sure that you keep all of the receipts to show to the trustee, because the trustee will probably ask for them. Finally, you can protect a part of the tax refund by using it to pay for the bankruptcy attorney's services. The courts recognize that people who need bankruptcy may not have a lot of cash lying around, and so they'll allow you to use the tax refund to pay for the bankruptcy, and the trustee won't be able to seize anything that was paid to the attorney. If you have any other questions about whether or not your tax refund can be protected if you file a bankruptcy, check out our website at www.lawrencelaws.com, or call us at Lawrence & Associates and ask one of our attorneys for a free consultation.